Turkey continues to demonstrate significant progress in the defense and aerospace industry through the development of next-generation fighter jets. Designed with modern technology and high-standard production systems, behind the fighter's splendor lies a long and complex assembly line process involving thousands of engineers and technicians, along with state-of-the-art manufacturing technology. Upon entering the main production area, the fuselage frame is assembled using lightweight composite materials. This material was chosen for its ability to withstand extreme pressure while remaining lightweight, enhancing the aircraft's maneuverability in the air. The technicians work meticulously when assembling the main fuselage structure. This process is crucial because all the fighter jet systems will be mounted on it. Every joint is inspected using high-precision laser tools to ensure even the slightest error. Turkey uses automated robotic technology in the drilling and assembly of fuselage panels. Industrial robots are capable of operating with extremely high levels of accuracy, speeding up production without compromising the quality of the assembly. This automated system also minimizes the risk of human error in the manufacturing process. On the aircraft wing production line, engineers focus on building aerodynamic structures specifically designed for the needs of next-generation fighter jets. The wings are made using a combination of titanium and modern composite materials to withstand the stresses of supersonic speeds. The wing shape is designed through sophisticated computer simulations to achieve maximum stability. The jet engines are then tested in a special chamber to ensure their performance meets standards. When the engines are started, a loud roar fills the test area. Engineers monitor engine pressure, temperature, fuel consumption, and thrust using digital sensors. The engines are installed using high-precision hydraulic tools to ensure precise installation. Technicians then connect the fuel system, cooling, digital engine controls, and afterburner ducts, which increase thrust at high speeds. Once the fuselage and wings are assembled, the next step is the installation of the aircraft's internal systems. During this stage, thousands of electronic cables are meticulously installed within the aircraft structure. This cable system serves as the primary connection between the radar, combat computer, sensors, communication systems, and flight controls. Turkey's next-generation fighter jet production line is a center of innovation for the national military industry. The assembly facility is designed using modern industrial concepts based on digital automation, precision robotics, and high-level quality control. All stages of production are integrated to ensure every aircraft component meets international safety and combat performance standards. Technicians use digital mapping technology to ensure every cable is installed according to design. Even a small error in the electronic installation can impact the aircraft's overall performance. So this process is strictly monitored. In the cockpit, the installation of the latest generation of avionics technology is visible. The Turkish fighter jet cockpit features a large, touch-based digital display capable of displaying various combat data in real time. This system helps pilots control the aircraft more quickly and efficiently on the battlefield. The pilot's ejection seat is also installed using a high-standard safety system. Modern ejector technology allows pilots to eject from the aircraft in an emergency in just seconds. Safety is a top priority in the development of this next-generation fighter jet. One of the busiest areas of the production line is the fighter radar and sensor integration room. Here, engineers install the latest generation AESA radar, the core of the aircraft's defense and attack systems. This modern radar has the ability to detect multiple targets simultaneously at very long ranges. This technology provides a significant advantage in modern air combat, as pilots can locate threats more quickly than their opponents. In addition to the primary radar, the aircraft is also equipped with infrared sensors and a sophisticated electronic tracking system. All of these devices are connected to an artificial intelligence-based combat computer. The weapon systems carried by this fighter jet are also highly sophisticated. The aircraft can carry various types of air-to-air missiles, smart bombs, and even high-precision weapons to destroy ground targets. All weapons systems are connected to a digital combat computer, increasing attack accuracy. Turkey has also introduced electronic warfare technology, which is one of the aircraft's main strengths. This system allows the fighter jet to jam enemy radar signals, disrupt enemy communications systems, and even evade modern missile attacks. Electronic warfare technology is now a crucial part of modern air warfare in the communications sector. This fighter jet uses an encrypted data link system that allows the aircraft to share information in real time with other military units. This technology allows for coordinated military operations between fighter jets, drones, ground radars, and command centers. The development of this future fighter jet demonstrates Turkey's commitment to building a self-sufficient national defense industry. For years, Turkey has strived to reduce its dependence on foreign military technology by developing domestically produced weapon systems. The Turkish aerospace industry is currently developing rapidly thanks to significant investment in research and technology. Many local defense companies are involved in this fighter jet project, developing everything from the airframe and engine to the radar and combat software systems. This modern fighter jet program also opens up significant opportunities for national economic and technological development. Thousands of experts are involved in the project, including aeronautical engineers, materials experts, software developers, and high-level manufacturing technicians. On the production line, the aircraft assembly process is carried out using modern automation technology. Industrial robots are used to assist in the assembly of the fuselage structure with extremely high precision. This technology enables faster production while improving the quality of manufactured products. Lightweight composite materials are also widely used in the aircraft structure to reduce weight without compromising strength. The use of modern material makes the aircraft highly durable yet agile when maneuvering in the air. In addition to focusing on combat capability, Turkey also prioritizes operational efficiency. This latest fighter jet is designed for easy maintenance and features an automatic diagnostic system that can detect damage more quickly. This technology can reduce operational costs while increasing combat readiness. Many military observers believe that the emergence of Turkey's next-generation fighter jet will change the landscape of air power in the region. With increasingly advanced technology, Turkey is now starting to be considered one of the countries with the most developed defense industry capabilities in the world. The successful development of this fighter jet also demonstrates the increasingly fierce global competition in military technology. Countries are now racing to create a new generation of fighter jets that are more sophisticated, faster, and less detectable by radar. Turkey is optimistic that this future fighter jet will not only be used for national needs, but also has significant potential in the international export market. Many countries are starting to be interested in Turkish-made defense technology because it offers a combination of modern capabilities at a more competitive cost. With the introduction of this technologically advanced future fighter jet, Turkey is proving itself as a new force in the global aerospace industry. This ambitious project is a symbol of national technological progress and a major step towards a new era of modern air power that is more independent, modern, and highly competitive. On the global stage,